so beautiful. I'm crying.
재밌게 진짜 재밌게 다녔다 그죠?
아따 머리가 이렇게 다 나갔다.
Ok, mamãe, grava aqui a tia Sô. Hoje nós fomos assistir o documentário do Jungkook.
Sim, o que você achou do documentário?
Então, depois do documentário que eu chorei 3 vezes, é difícil escolher qual que é a música favorita. Okay, so let me talk in English so everybody understands. We went to watch I Am Still here in Brazil. Soranim, your holistic therapist, the real psychic deal. And I couldn't make a video, that's not allowed. But I took some photos, and I remember when I did the prediction for Jungkook when he went to perform in New York, and I was very precise about the shoes. Be careful with the shoes, be careful, don't use, be careful what kind of shoes you're gonna use. And then when I saw in the video that the shoe came out of his feet for that prediction, so what I predicted was right about the shoes. And the rain keeps on following JK because the universe is so romantic and the universe is crying tears, so proud of Jungkook. So if he wonders why it's always crying when I do the performances, it's because the universe is crying tears of joy. And I cried when I saw the recording of Standing Next to You was recorded on April 10. It's my father's birthday. My father is in Lebanon, he's age 90. And the MV video for Standing Next to You was recorded in Budapest on my mother's birthday, October 15, right, Mama?
É 15 de outubro.
So 15th of October is my mother's birthday. 10th of April is my father's birthday. So Standing Next to You is absolutely the song I will always remember my parents when they go to heaven, and I will always be standing next to you, Jungkook. I thank you so much. Soranim cried just a little bit because I was so proud. Your mother, fairy godmother, Soranim, loves you so much, and I was so proud. That's why I cried. Now I'm okay. I'm gonna eat my salmon, my salad. Can you see the salad? Can you see the salad? Yes or no? The salad? The salad.
Rúcula?
Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, Army.
Bye bye.